Work smarter, finding and keeping track of often used documents. Have you found that you spend a lot of time every day opening up folders on your H or S drive in search of the document that you wish to work on? Let me give you this tip that will save you countless minutes of repetitious steps. For me, a document that I open up daily is an Excel file that keeps my hours so that I can report them on my timesheet. On my taskbar is an Excel icon. If I right-click on the icon, my Excel sheet called Time is waiting for me to input my hours for the day. The trick is to remember to right-click to find the most recently used documents, as well as pin any other document that you know you will need in the near future. Right now, and for the next couple of weeks, I'll be working on tipstricksyoutube.docx. I want quick and easy access to this file. While I have the document open on my computer screen, I'll go down to the Word icon in my taskbar and right-click. I'll rest my cursor on the name of the file and move slightly to the right and pin to this list. When I close the file and want to reopen it again, I must first remember to right-click on the Word icon, and the document will be up at the top of the list along with other pinned files. When I no longer need to find this file quickly, I simply unpin the document and it slides into the oblivion of my H drive. Pin those documents. Work smarter.